Are you missing the Icon System 32 Shell32 Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. As we prepare the manual solution for Icon System 32 Shell32 module, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Icon System 32 Shell32 module, frequently associated with localized skinning or icon changer utilities. It manages the UI hooks for system-level controls. Because it modifies the Windows shell, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, third-party desktop modifications will fail to apply. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Because Icon System 32 Shell32 Module DLL is a proprietary component linked to the Localized Shell32 Icon redirector system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Icon System 32 Shell32 module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double check your inputs. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Icon System 32 Shell32 Module DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Icon System 32 Shell32 module-related documentation. If this fix repaired Icon System 32 Shell32 module dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.